Pink salt versus regular salt. What is the difference between pink salt and more typical coarse salt, e.g. sea salt? I know it is pink due to mineral deposits, but culinarily is it any different? E.g., does it taste different, is it used differently, etc.? Since there may be more than one kind of pink salt, I'm talking specifically about Himalayan pink salt.
In my experience, the difference between various salts has little to do with flavor. Once you've moved beyond iodized table salt and bulk kosher salt, and assuming we aren't talking about salts that are flavored by additions like herbs or smoke during processing. So limiting the discussion to natural, high-quality finishing salts, the differences are mainly texture and color. Some salts, like Maldon, are flaky, while others are large pyramids or cubes, and others tend to a small grain size and hold on to a bit of moisture. Each of these textures can bring something special to a finished dish. For example, flaky Maldon adds a delightful crunch, while another salt might adhere better to a French fry. Color, like the pink salt you mentioned, is used pretty much for the visual interest. And there is nothing wrong with that. Simply save it for a dish where it will be noticeable. For example, those pink grains would look amazing on a chocolate truffle, or a savory meringue. If anyone thinks they can actually taste the difference among unflavored finishing salts, I'd challenge them to do a triangle test with those salts dissolved in water, in equal amounts by weight, so that texture and color isn't confusing the issue. In the Good Eats episode, The Ballad of Salty and Sweet, see link 1. Quote, Alton Brown spends a few minutes, toward the end of the show, covering finishing salts, including pink salt. Other than trace minerals which give it coloring, there is no real difference.